Hello friends, now we are now come back to our chapter, The Adventure of Toto. In this, now we have read that they have reached Dehradun. So what are the mischievous activities Toto doing there? So we will also see that in this. When one day Toto stayed in a stable of donkeys, and one of the donkeys was Nana. Toto want Nana to become his friend, its friend, but Nana don't. Why? Because when next day, when the food came, or the bundle of hay came to um, as the breakfast of Nana. So one thing everyone noticed that Nana was refusing that food, and was continuously taking back his head, and like his face expression, he want that food, but with his activities, all that thing that he didn't want food. फिर when ग्रैंडफादर खाना उठा के ले गए, लेकिन वो पीछे पीछे आता रहा, मतलब उसने कुछ ऐसी हरकतें करी जिससे ग्रैंडफादर को लगा उसको भूख लग रही है। फिर उसने नाना को थप्पड़ मार दिया। He slapped Nana. Now he saw that on the ear of on the उसके कान के ऊपर शार्प टीथ के साथ कोई लटका हुआ था, and it was not some other, it was just Toto. Toto was hanging on his ear with his sharp teeth. In this, he was pulling his ear, and as he was pulling his ear, Nana's head was also moving. So all the people thought that Nana don't have to eat that food. So this was the first mischievousness of Nana in the stable. So now in the winter season, या cold winters कह सकते हो, there was a great treat for Toto, in which there a large bowl of warm water was kept for Toto, and for his bath. That it was just like its temperature was just like that, it was not so cold and not so hot. So the grandmother have made that water that temperature, that it is almost warm for a bath. So that was a good bath, a good treat for Toto. And after some bath, one thing he always do, that he first step the one finger of his leg into water, and if he feels that right, yes, this water is right for me, then he jumped in that water. And if he thought that no, this is so much cold, it is so much hot, so he refused and go back. Now he then one thing he always do, that he took a soap and rub his hand, feet, and all his body over the soap, and he was just having a fun and all. And if somebody laugh on his activity, he get he his feelings was hurt, वो बहुत दुखी हो जाता था, और and then he refused to go to refuse to go for a bath. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. How? One day grandmother has boiled water for making tea, but it seems to Toto that the water was boiling for his bath. Now actually the water was boiling for making the tea. So Toto first, like, he put his leg and checked that wow, this water is so warm. So he jumped in that water, and some time later the temperature of the water rises, because the water was boiling, the gas was on. So one thing, a strange thing happened, that almost the body of Toto was sorry, burnt burnt. So he was just he just um, jumped out from that kettle, that whatever the utensil was, and the utensil like, अब जैसे उसने जंप किया तो यूटेंसिल तो गिरेगा ही, कुछ शोर वोर होएगा, तो सारे लोग आए, ग्रैंड मदर आई, तो उन्होंने देखा कि अच्छा ये इसके अंदर कर रहा था, तो वह एक तरह से बातचीत हुई, संभाला, एंड जस्ट वो बच गया, फिर उसको कोल्ड साइड में रख दिया. देन वन डे what happened that Toto's one thing was very common to all, that he have a behavior of tearing things into pieces, और like plates को तोड़ देता था, ड्रेसेस को फाड़ देता था, चीज़ों सॉफ्ट चीज़ों के अंदर होल्स बना देता, बहुत सी शरारतें करता था. तो one day at lunch time a dish of pulao was ready and on the dining table. Nobody was there. Toto saw, and he was very happy that it is like a treat. So he then sat down on the table and he just stuffed that rice or pulao in his stomach. Then grandmother screamed, "Toto, what are you doing? Throw that plate here." तो लेकिन थ्रो दैट प्लेट उसने इतना सुना, और उसने साथ में कोई प्लेट पड़ी थी, he threw that small plate on the face of the grandmother. Now grandmother stood aside. Then one of my aunts, here my aunts means one of narrator's aunt, came, and she rushed forward, but the again Toto have take the glass, the कांच, उसे कांच का ग्लास लिया, and he threw that glass on the head of his aunt. अब ऐसे ऐसे वो शरारतें करता गया. फिर at one point of time he realized that I am not safe here. The window was open of the kitchen. He just jumped out of window and sat on the jackfruit tree. And then the dish was still in his hand, and he was just one mischievous idea was coming in his mind, that I will eat one piece of rice very slowly by taking taste one piece of the rice. So he was slowly eating. Grandmother screamed at him, like बहुत सी चीज़ें हुई. अब आपको इतना चैप्टर पढ़ के समझ में आ रहा है कि ये जो टोटो है, ये जो स्टार्टिंग में हम सबको कन्फ्यूजन थी कि ये लड़का है या लड़की है, ये लड़का है, क्योंकि बार बार हिम यूज़ हो रहा है. सो he threw, and then after eating that pulau's plate, that plate filled with pulao, it was evening, एक तरह से शाम हो गई थी, और उसने खा के पूरी प्लेट वो सबके ऊपर फेंक दिया, और 100 ऑफ पीसेस में इट ब्रोक. नाउ ऑब्वियसली टोटो एक ऐसा पेट नहीं था कि ग्रैंडफादर अपने पास रखेंगे, तो ग्रैंडफादर को भी रियलाइज़ हो गया कि नहीं, टोटो हमारे पास नहीं रह सकता, क्योंकि वो इतने भी रिच नहीं थे कि वो ये सब जितने भी उनके ये हो रहे हैं, जितने भी उनकी डैमेजेस हो रहे हैं, वो सब उनको नहीं कर सकते भी. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने बताया कि वो अपना लॉस ये नहीं कर सकते डिशेस, क्लोथ्स का, कर्टन्स, वॉलपेपर्स वगैरह वगैरह का. तो ग्रैंडफादर वापस गए अपनी जगह, वहाँ पे टोंगा ड्राइवर को बड़ी मुश्किल से ढूंढा, और टोटो तो वापस किया ही किया, उसके साथ क्या किया, 3 रुपये और एक्स्ट्रा दे दिए. मतलब कि उस टोंगा ड्राइवर के पास 8 रुपये का फ़ायदा हो गया, प्लस उसको टोटो भी मिल गया. 5 रुपये का टोटो जो था वो उसको 8 रुपये में वापस भी आ गया, और टोटो भी आ गया. तो ये लिखी थी रस्किन बॉन्ड में, और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर था. तो प्लीज़ इसे अच्छे से करना, और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. बाय.